want you to help me welcome someone who is very near and dear, full disclosure, to my heart because of the work he does. Please help me welcome Dr. Trevor Dixon, the visionary and founder and CEO of JAHJAH Foundation, to give his remarks. You gotta clap a little bit now. You can practice it. All right.
I'm a little taller, so you have to excuse me. Just a little bit. This is a tough act to follow. She's very enthusiastic. Thank you, Sharon Gordon, and a heartfelt welcome to Dr. the Honorable Christopher Tufton, Minister of Health and Wellness, the Honorable Juliet Cuthbert Flynn, Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Wellness, and Member of Parliament, and other distinguished guests. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here. It was the Prince of Reggae, Dennis Brown, who sang, "No man is an island, no man stands alone. Treat each man as your brother, and remember, each man's dreams as your own." There is no better example I can use to describe the various collaborations which has made this day possible today. You know, 15 years ago, my friend Lyndon Williams took me down the windy road at KPH because I was a doctor from New York and I wanted to give back to my country. And it was 15 years ago that I met Dr. Hugh Wong at the KPH hospital. And he and I started conducting ultrasound workshops for doctors who oftentimes would return to facilities and they didn't have an ultrasound machine. And some of them went back to a facility and the machine were broken or in disrepair. But still, Dr. Wong and I, we continued holding our workshops. And over the years, 15 years, we've trained over 400 physicians in the public hospitals. That deserves a round of applause. And this was made possible through donations from supporters and sponsors from here in the Jamaica diaspora. So I want to big up the Jamaica diaspora at this time. One could almost say it was through divine intervention that we were introduced to Ms. Wendy Hart of American Friends of Jamaica. While we were aware of the great potential of the butterfly IQ probes in ultrasound diagnostic for Jamaica's public hospital, Wendy Hart and her team at AFJ were simultaneously becoming aware and exploring this new technology for the Jamaica's public hospitals. Wendy Hart was concurrently working with the Ministry of Health and Wellness on Start Right, a maternity and newborn care initiative. Working with both the JAHJAH Foundation and the Ministry of Health, the brilliance struck. The Jamaican handheld ultrasound project, called JAHJAH, has now become associated with Start Right, which we're here to launch today. How amazing is that? Round of applause. This is truly divine intervention at work. There are three great organizations, the JAHJAH Foundation, AFJ, and the Ministry of Health and Wellness are working together for a common cause. Putting aside our egos and getting this project completed in approximately 6 months. A true example of public-private partnership in Jamaica. For Jamaicans. AFJ has stepped up big time by funding devices for phase 1 of the Jamaica handheld ultrasound project, JAHJAH. JAHJAH Foundation and the team at Jacobi Medical Center in the Bronx, New York. Will the team stand up for a second, JAHJAH, Jacobi? The JAHJAH Foundation and the team at the Jacobi Medical Center in the Bronx, New York has mastered their passion and dedication by committing to the ongoing education and training of doctors in ultrasound technology on the use of the butterfly IQ probes with our partners at the University Hospital of the West Indies and the Kingston Public Hospital. We are all committed in making JAHJAH and Start Right projects successful and, most importantly, sustainable. We hope to work closely with Jamaica's public hospital to advance diagnostic ultrasound education for clinical practitioners because ultrasound saves lives. These small, compact handheld technology, just so you see what I'm talking about. This is the technology you need, folks. Hook this up to your devices and you can save lives immediately. So these small, compact, handheld, technologically diverse Butterfly IQ probes will allow physicians and clinicians to save Jamaican lives. A round of applause for the Butterfly IQ team.
Yeah.
You know, had it not been for this technology, the Butterfly IQ Pro technology, we would not be able to put this great technology in the hands of so many Jamaican clinicians. This device is truly a game changer. For example, instead of bringing patients to another department to have an ultrasound being done, this device is 100% portable and can be placed in the doctor's pocket, as I just demonstrated. And you can see here, truly streamlining patient care. While these devices are great, they're only useful with adequate training. Therefore, I salute the volunteers, trainers, and lecturers from the JAHJAH Foundation who have traveled from over 5 states in the USA, Jacobi Medical Center in the Bronx, New York, Dr. Garfield Clooney from NYU in New York City, Dr. Maria Small from Duke University in North Carolina, and of course our partners here at the University Hospital of the West Indies, led by Dr. Simone French and Dr. Hugh Wong at the Kingston Public Hospital. The JAHJAH Foundation has led this training and education initiative here in Kingston for over 15 years because we know the importance of the accurate and ample ultrasound education in the act of saving lives. If you give a man a fish, he eats today. Teach him how to fish, and he eats for life. The individuals being trained over the next 2 days are our super users who will be tasked on teaching everyone in their department in the use of these ultrasound IQ probes, thus guaranteeing sustainability. Thanks to the organizers of this workshop, Ms. Karen Shields, which everyone who's involved with knows who she is. Ms. Karen Shields, the Jamaican liaison and project manager, who has done a tremendous job of putting this all together, all while having other members, volunteers in the team in the field as we speak right now. And of course, additional thanks to Ms. Khadisha Watkins at the Ministry of Health and Wellness. Remember, Dennis Brown said, remember, we can't live in this world all by ourselves. No, no, no. We cannot make it alone. Just as sure as you try to make it by yourself, you're going to wake up and find yourself, you're going to need somebody else. Thanks to all our partners, our volunteers, sponsors, and supporters. You've made a wise and invaluable investment in the JAHJAH Foundation. We are on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and we also have a big presence on YouTube at JAHJAH Foundation. Please like, follow, and share. Also, visit our website at jahjahfoundation.org and don't forget to donate. One love from the JAHJAH Foundation.